Good evening, everyone. Today we are going to discuss IoT platform, domain, and devices. Our content is IoT. What is IoT platform? Top 10 IoT platforms, domain, and devices. So, what is IoT? The term thing in the Internet of Things refers to anything and everything in the day-to-day life which access or connected through Internet. IoT is an advanced automation and analytic system which deals with artificial intelligence, sensors, networking, electronics, cloud messaging, etc. to deliver complete system for product or services. The system created by IoT has greater transparency, control, and performance. So, what is IoT platform? Multi-layer technology which is used to manage and automate the connected devices is known as IoT platform. In other words, it is a service which helps you in bringing the physical object online. This platform will provide you with the services to connect the devices for machine to machine communication. IoT platform is an essential component of huge IoT ecosystem that supports and connects all components within the system. It helps to facilitate device management, handle hardware, software, communication protocols, collect and analyze data, enhance data flow and functionality of smart applications. Top 10 IoT platforms in the world. First one is Amazon Web Services, then Microsoft Azure, then IBM Watson, then Google Cloud, then Oracle 60 Salesforce, then Cisco IoT, then ThingsWorks, then Samsung Arctic, and last one is Particle. First one we are going to discuss is Amazon Web Services. So what is Amazon Web Services? Amazon Web Services is the world's most comprehensive and broadly adopted platform offering over 175 fully featured services from data centers globally. Millions of customers, including the fastest growing startups, largest enterprises, and leading in government agencies, are using AWS to lower cost, become more agile, and innovate faster. AWS is Amazon Web Service platform that collects and analyzes data from internet connected devices and sensors and connects that data to AWS cloud applications. AWS IoT can collect data from billions of devices and connect them to endpoints or other AWS tools and other services, allowing a developer to tie that data into an application. Components of IoT AWS. First one is AWS IoT Core, which is the base on which any IoT application can build. Via AWS IoT Core, devices can connect to the internet and to each other and exchange data. Billions of messages can be sent between the devices and cloud storage over a secure connection. The platform supports various communication protocols, including custom ones, thus enabling communication between devices from different manufacturers. Second is AWS IoT Device Management allows easy addition and organization of devices. The services ensures secure and scalable performance with possibilities of monitoring, troubleshooting, and updating device functionality. AWS IoT Analytics provide services for automated analytics to large amount of various IoT data, including unstructured data from different type of devices. The data gathered and processed by the services is ready for use in machine learning. Last one is AWS IoT Device Defender, supporting the configuration of security mechanism for the IoT system. AWS IoT Device Defender enables the setup and management of security policies, controlling device authentication, authorization, as well as providing encryption mechanism. Why Amazon Web Services? Leading cloud platform. Most functionality, AWS has significantly more services and more features within those services than any other cloud provider. From infrastructure technologies like compute storage, databases to emerging technologies such as machine learning, artificial intelligence, data lakes, analytics, and Internet of Things. This makes it faster, easier, and more effective to move your existing application to cloud and build nearly anything you can imagine. AWS also has the deepest functionality within those services. For example, AWS offers the widest variety of database that are purpose built for different type of applications. So you can choose the right tool for the job to get the best cost performance. Largest community customers and partners. AWS is the largest and most dynamic community with millions of active customers and tens of thousands partners globally. Customers across virtually every industry of every size, including startups, enterprises, and public sector organizations. Most secure, AWS is architected to the most flexible and secure cloud computing environment available today. Our core infrastructure is built to satisfy security requirements for military, global banks, and other high-sensitive organizations. This is backed by a deep set of global cloud security tools with 230 security uh, compliance and governance services and features. AWS supports 90 security standards and compliance certification and all 117 AWS services that store customer data offer the ability to encrypt that data. Fastest piece of innovation with AWS, you can leverage the latest technology to experiment and innovate more quickly. We are continually accelerating our piece of information to invent entirely new technologies you can use to transform your business. For example, in 2014, AWS pioneered the serverless computing space with the launch of AWS Lambda, which lets developers run their code without provisioning of managing servers. And AWS built Amazon SageMaker, a fully managed service, machine learning service that empowers everyday developers and is to use machine learning without any previous experience. Most proven operational expertise. AWS has unmatched experience, maturity, reliability, security, performance that you can depend upon your most important application for over 13 years. AWS has been delivering cloud services to millions of customers around the world, running a wide variety of use cases. AWS has the most operational experience at data scale of any cloud provider. So these are the AWS customer. There are many more. They have thousands, tens of thousands customer. Whether it is a economic e-commerce company or automobile or hospital, in any company, all prefer to use AWS IoT platform for their cloud. There are many more. So AWS provide billing as a per hour. You can pay uh, according to 1 hour. Easy sign up process, simple billing, and stability. These are some examples of AWS like healthcare and life science, municipal infrastructure in smart homes there are CCTV cameras and many sensors in TV or AC, uh, retail, manufacturing, logistics and supply chain, agriculture, education, automotive. There are many more fields in which IoT is being used. It is growing rapidly. A second one is Microsoft Azure IoT platform. It is Windows IoT, and this is overview of Windows Azure. So Azure IoT. Microsoft Azure IoT is the second biggest and widely used IoT platform in the world. It is the fastest growing platform and becoming popular very quickly. Microsoft Azure IoT platform uh, offers strong security mechanism, scalability, and a easy integration with system. It uses standard protocols that supports bi-directional communication between connected devices and platform. Azure IoT platform has an Azure Stream Analytics that processes a large amount of information in real time generated by sensors. Features information monitoring, rule engine, device shadowing, identity registry. For processing massive amount of information gathered by Azure IoT Suite up comes up with Azure Stream Analytics for processing large amount of information. Third platform, it is also very popular. Uh, ThingsWorks platform. ThingsWorks is one of leading IoT platform for industrial companies which provides easy connectivity for devices. It enables the experience for today connected world. Things is better, faster, easier platform providing the functionality to build, deploy, and extend industrial projects and apps. The ThingsWorks platform is complete end-to-end technology platform that is designed for industrial IoT. It facilitates the tool and services that are required to develop and sell connectivity, analysis, production of other aspects of IoT development. ThingsWorks IoT platform is collection of modules that deliver the flexibility, capability, and agility establishment required to implement IoT applications. Empowers business to develop and deploy powerful application rapidly and argument-related experience. ThinkWorks is first platform that connects the people, system, things, connection, operation, connected product, connected application, etc. ThinkWorks reduces the time, cost, and risk. PTC is designed for building industrial IoT solution. It is considered as most complete tool set for creating IoT applications. Platform has excellent sharing and collaboration possibilities, which makes it a great solution for large development teams. Its native capabilities are sufficient to build various IoT applications without the need to apply third-party component or libraries. The IoT application created on the basis of ThinkWorks platform have all the features on an advanced enterprise solution. Great scalability, options, and integration with cutting-edge technologies such as augmented reality and extensive analytics. This powerful functionality is implemented with the simple and intuitive user interface, thus combining great performance with high usability. Services of ThingsWorks platform. Uh, this platform is specially designed to provide the functionality for the protection as well as the scalability to develop as the commercial enterprises expands. Development, rapid empowerment, and extensibility. It includes a platform model that come together with the think model. The think model is a truthful digital illustration of items that enables experience, studies, and quick apps delivery without any difficulty. Flexibility. The ThinkWorks platform has the flexibility to be deployed on premises inside the cloud or hybrid or both. This platform easy connectivity with electronic devices like sensors, RFID, You can work remotely once you are done with setup pre-built pages for dashboard, remote complexity of project, integrated machine learning, pros, easy web pages designed for customer, easy manage devices, simple connectivity. So response difficult to use with custom programs in C, hard to manage complex system and limitation to install edge program on custom platform. These are some component connect easily connect devices, asset, and IoT system from edge to cloud. Unify application across the enterprises and design engineering to CRM and ERP. Analyze, automate a complex and analytic process, delivering real-time insight, prediction, and recommendation using native and third-party tool experience. Empower workers to perform better delivery, meaningful and actionable data across a range of devices and media, including seamless, seamless AR support. Build across, okay, manage, automate business process and drive actions. Here is fourth platform, IBM Watson IoT platform. IBM Watson is powerful platform backed by IBM's Bluemix and hybrid cloud uh, platform as a service development platform. By providing easy sample apps and interface for IoT services, make it accessible to beginners. You can easily try out their sample to see how it works, what stand out from the other platforms. The IBM Watson IT platform supports effective remote devices control, secure data transmission and storage in cloud real-time data, as well as machine learning options thanks to integration with AI technology. The system, the development platform offered by IBM include a number of convenient tools and services making IoT software creating easier and more efficient. This platform will help you to capture and investigate the data for devices, machines, equipment, and find out the understanding for better decisions. This platform will allow you to optimize operation and resources by providing the content, business insight, and bi-directional communication facilities will help in increasing the revenue to great extent. Features AI and analytics domain expertise provides flexible solutions, provides security, capture real-time data, provide analytics services as a add-on, real-time data exchange, secure communication, cognitive system, recently added data sensor, weather data services. Fifth one is Oracle Oracle IoT platform. Oracle Internet of Things platform link the enterprises software to the real world of devices and their matrices. Uh, Oracle provides exceptional business opportunities with its flexible environment for creating commercial apps. Being a reputed leader in the database management sector, Oracle supports the uh, extremely large amount of data, thus allowing you to build large-scale IoT networks. Another point worth mentioning is the use of advanced security mechanism that protects the IoT system from external threats. As such system usually contain various devices, some of which have no inheritance tools and applications to centralize security measures is more than just features offering to users secure and scalable real-time insight integrated faster to market. It allows you to create an IoT application and connect a device to JavaScript, Android, iOS, Java, and C projects. It will help you to extend the supply chain, ERP, HR, and customer experience application. Operational efficiency and workforce productivity will be improved. It provides features like devices virtualization, high-speed messaging, and endpoint management to connect. To analyze the data, it provides features like stream processing and data enrichment. Using REST API integration can be done with Oracle and non-Oracle application and IoT devices. These are our five platforms. We discuss only five. Now we will discuss IoT energy domain. The Internet of Things play a vital role in field of energy management and regulation. The term used for smart energy system IoT application monitor a wider variety of energy control function to residential and commercial issues. Residential energy, the technology is increasing day by day. It also rises the cost of energy. Consumers search the way through which they can reduce and control energy costs. IoT provides a mature way to analyze and optimize the use of devices as well as entire system of home. It may be changing the devices settings, simply switching on off or dimming lights to optimize energy use. Commercial energy. Wastage of energy widely impact any business enterprises in their cost of production. IoT provides a specific way to monitoring and maintaining a low cost and high level of care. IoT system provides a strong means of managing the consumption cost of energy and optimizing the output for enterprises. It discovers energy. थैंक यू सो मच मेरा वीडियो देखने के लिए। अगर कोई भी डाउट है आपको तो आप नीचे कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करके डाउट पूछ सकते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच। घर पे रहिए, सुरक्षित रहिए। स्टे होम।